I've been thinking about forever, and I swear it's just you and me. It might take us forever, but I don't mind, cause it's meant to be.
Back to another video. Today, this is Commercial Tuesday number 4. And today's video for commercial number 4 is the Tell Us Beware the Cat commercial. So this is about a cat who's really severe and it sounds like a lion. So here's the commercial. So that was commercial number 4. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!